Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get an animated wallpaper for completely free. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on the link in the description box and you will come to this website. Then you want to click on download, click on installer, and you're just gonna let this run. As you guys can see, my file is finally downloaded, so now all you want to do is you just want to click on it. My language is English, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on OK. Next. Next. I already got the program, so I also got the folder, but I'm still gonna click on yes. Next. Install, and now you're just gonna let this run. As you guys can see, the program is finally installed, and now you just want to click on finish. If you did everything correct, this will pop up and you just want to click on next. I mean, this really depends on you. If you want it to start up when you start up your PC, you're gonna leave this on. Click on next. And your user interface, you can choose normal if you have a pretty good PC, but if your PC is really old or not that good anymore, you can click on light, but I'm gonna go for normal. Click on next. Now the installation is fully completed. Now you just want to go on the bottom right, you can see the pictogram writer, you want to right click on it and open Lively. As you guys can see, the program is right here. I already downloaded some animated wallpapers though, because I did not really like the basic ones, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So you just want to go over to this website, the link is down below in the description box, and you just want to scroll down, and if you see a nice background that you like, you can go ahead and download it. I like this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and download that one. All you want to do is click on the little thumbnail, click on free download, and you're gonna let this run. As you guys can see, my background is finally downloaded. Now all you want to do is you want to go over to your program, click on the plus icon, browse, click on the file you downloaded. Mine is mountains. I'm also gonna call it mountains because I think it looks like mountains. I'm not gonna add a description, you can add that though. I'm gonna click on OK. Now you're just gonna let this run. This won't take too long, and if this done, you got your background. As you guys can see, I got the moving background. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helps you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Without any further ado, I'm out and roll the intro.